Hello friends, welcome back to Ruby Reviews YouTube channel. Today we are going to share about Insmelo AI, where you can create your song from text to music. You can also create song on different occasion to dedicate your friends, family, partners, and you can also generate image to music too. We are going to share each and everything about. There are also celebrity voices, means you can also change the music into other format, and everything can also be done on single interface, that is Insmelo AI. If you want to join this, you can also subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, and check out the link in video description where you have to create your account. For that, you can also use your Google or email ID. Once you create the account, you can also upgrade in Insmelo Pro, and this is also like weekly airwise what is suitable to you. You can also get the credit per year also. Now we are also coming to that side, that is also lyrics to song, and we are coming to this interface where you have to write the lyrics and choose the AI model, and then you can also, I have given the lyrics on that I want to make a song, and after that we can also choose the AI model. You can also select your favorite one, and after that you can also come in the section that is AI lyrics. You can also create using AI, and then you have to click on the create option. Now music is ready. You can also check out, this is the pleasant music we have created right now.
This pleasant time. Enjoy the music and call the memories in the past.
Further, you can also check the other option like text to song, that is also same like lyrics to song. Now third one is about image to music. We have to click that button, and then you will also check the interface where guys you need to upload or drag a picture on that you want to turn into song. So here I am going to select, there is also the picture that is being uploaded, and now you have to select the song singer, and after click on the create option, then this picture will be turned into music.
Green sweater, hands to your cheeks. You light up the whole room like you found what you need. Pad and couch sinking in old songs on the
Guys, you can enjoy like this music, and you can download it as I have already shown you, from image to music, from lyrics to song. It can be generated on Insmelo, and you can also generate music genre. You have to select a category like rap, there is parody. You can also give the lyrics here, and then you can also click on the next step. There is also choose a celebrity voices, what type of category, style, and vocal, instrumental, and male, female. You can select and click on the next option. There is also the version engine. We can select latest one, and parody name, that is also about what is the parody name, and then you can also click on the create option. Then you will see music is also being ready as lyrics to music. This rap generation and genre can also be like this generated. You can check out the final result have been given to you. Here is also the final result. You can listen it, you can enjoy it. And next is about exploring the app. There is also AI beat maker. There is lyrics generator. You can generate the lyrics for your songs. For that, the same step, you can choose the style tone, click on the next option to choose the intensity, and then you have to give the name of song, and then you can click on the next option to give the narrative story, and then you have to click on the generate option. And here final step, generate lyrics. There is final result. You can check out that can also be copied and can be used to next song, and we can also check your song name generator. And for that next category song name generator, you have to drag the song, click on the next step. There is also which category it is going to fall it, and then you can also give the name, and then for here is also the feature to drag the picture of that person, like some audio type in which voice you want to make song. Otherwise, you can also click on the next step, the quantity, 1 title, 2 or 3, you can easily select and click on the generate name. And next is also some other like vocal remover. Yes, this is also the feature on Insmelo AI where we can also drag the audio file. So we are going to select here audio file, and then we will also click on the open, and it will be upload. Click on the next step. There is choose the format, and then you have to click on next, what it should be clear voice. I want in ultra, and then you can also choose the intensity level and click on the next, and separating the word will be done. You can guys check out. Here is also the vocal section, and here is instrumental. So you can also check out too. There is just instrumental. as by the category mentioned. And next, you can also check there is also AI voice changer too. When we press, we can select your different celebrity voices too. Like I am going to select your Jungkook as the BTS member, and we will also click on the next step to track the audio file here. And then we click on the next option. There choose the option balanced and click on the next, and it will also generate. And after that, I will show you best result too. You can guys check out the original video audio like here. You can also listen into. And you can also listen the next Jungkook voice too.
Red hair, green sweater, hands to your cheeks. You light up the whole room like you found what you need. Pattern couch sinking in.
Next, we can also check the other features like AI song cover maker. Yes, we can also generate using different celebrity voices. And next is AI sound effect in your music you can add by giving the prompt, and that music effect will be added. And even you can also make your own voice into clone like a character. You can also record live, or if you have already recorded your voice, you can also add it too. And you can also check the other function is on Insmelo. You can also change the audio converter. Yes, there is also MP3 we have downloaded already, and there you can also check what is the file we are going to select here. And then we will also choose the next step, that is also MP3 into WAV or FLAC we are going to share. And in this way we can also convert it, and it will also given the best format. That is instant. And here is also the FLAC. This is also like MP3 into FLAC can also be generated, and you can download, you can also use it. So this is how Insmelo AI working for you, and you can also generate the best music. If you have any question, you can drop your thought in comment box.